Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about seasons. Dipaka. Paka ya ntlha ebile e ke e ratang ke selemo. Summer. Paka ya bobedi ke mariga. Winter. Paka ya boraro ke letlhafula. Autumn. And then we have spring, dikgakologo. If you have not already noticed, I am not in Botswana. I'm in a city called Philadelphia. But if you're in Botswana around this time, it should be very warm, which is the opposite to here, which is very cold. So one of the other things about this city is that around this time, which is spring, there are very beautiful flowery trees around that transforms the city for a little bit to be even more beautiful. Most of that even when you're in a very crowded place like this one, you don't feel it because of all the beautiful flowers or trees, plants, whatever you want to call them. One other thing that I've noticed when people travel to Botswana around June, July, and August, they don't expect it to be as cold as it gets. So don't be one of those people. If you are traveling to Botswana around those months, just prepare for a really, really cold weather. Now the cold there is different. Unlike in the USA or in the city of Philadelphia where I'm at right now, the cold stays through the day. But when you're in Botswana, even though it gets cold at night and in the morning, you'll see that in the middle of the day, it might get really warm, that you might even walk around wearing a t-shirt. But I've seen so many people surprised that it's really, really cold, especially when you're going to places like the Makgadikgadi pans and all that. That is all for today. Until we meet again next time, goodbye. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.